Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a soft cut crease look with a halo eye, and I'm using rose golds today and a dark vampy lip. So if you want to learn how to do this look, then stay tuned. First I'm going to spray my face using the MAC Fix Plus to moisturize my face. And I'm using a Models Prefer airbrush foundation brush. Next, for primer, I'm using the Prime Shield by Milani, and I'm applying it using the same airbrush foundation brush. Next, I'm using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, and this is in the shade Sun Beige number 310. Next, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, and this is the shade C9. And I'm going to blend it using a Chi sponge. To set under my eyes, I'm using the Kryolan translucent powder. And to set the rest of my skin, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC40, and I'm using a Sigma big fluffy brush. For contouring, I'm using my Complexionista palette from Benefit, and I'm going to be using the Hoola shade to contour my face. To contour, I'm using my Essence contouring brush. For blush, I'm using my NYX blush in Amber, and I'm using a brush from Models Prefer. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using my e.l.f. kit in dark. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Morphe eyelid primer in translucent. And to catch any eyeshadows from ruining my foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever loose powder under my eyes to bake. First, I'm using today the textured eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty in Rose Gold Edition. First shade, I'm using Shy in my crease. To highlight under my brow bone, I'm using the shade Bay. It's a matte bone color. Next, I'm going to be doing a cut crease, and for that I'm using a Pro Concealer 704 Glamco brush. And again, I'm going to be using a concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C4. Next, I'm using the color Angelic right on the outside and inside corners of the cut crease. the center of the lid, I'm going to be using a lighter pink shade, and it's actually a highlighter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and the shade is called Crushed Pearl. Now I'm going to be using the shade Bossy on the outside corners of my eyes using a Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm just touching up the crease using the same shade I used, which is Shy from the Huda Beauty palette. Now I'm going to use the same highlight shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlighting Glow Kit palette on the inner corners of my eyes using a small luxe pencil brush from Zoeva. Now I'm smoking out the lower lash line with the shade Shy using a flat small smudger brush, and this is a double-ended brush from Models Preferred. Now I'm dusting off all the powder that's under my eyes, and I'm highlighting my cheekbones using the same highlighting palette from Anastasia, and I'm using the shade Mimosa. Next, I'm applying some false eyelashes. These are the Dodo lashes in the style D119. And the eyelash glue I'm using is the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive in the shade Translucent or Clear. Next, to hide the eyelashes, I'm going to be lining my upper lash line using the Hyper Sharp Wing from Maybeline. And I'm not doing a wing liner today. Next, I'm going to be putting some black mascara, and I'm using the Roller Lashes from Benefit. For lipstick today, I'm going to be doing a dark lip, and I'm going to be using a Morphe lip liner in Hoova. And I'm going to be putting a liquid lipstick from LA Colors, and it's in the shade Scrumptious. And to clean around the edges, I'm using an angled brush and a concealer. And to set my makeup, I'm using the Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is in the watermelon scent. So this is the finished look for today. It's a cut crease, rose gold, and a dark vampy lip. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!